right off the bat, I'm going to talk about this Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I had two, but I sold one, so this is the one that's left. And this has a very long vine, a single vine that goes all the way down. Look at this. It's a very beautiful plant. Yeah, there's a new growth here, new leaf that's unfurling. But I'm going to quickly get it out of the way to propagate this immediately, because check this out. It has a stem that is totally rotten off. To be honest, I've seen this 2 months back when I moved here, but I have not done anything to it. And there is a new growth, another vine that sprouted out. So this is really healthy looking. So what I'm going to do is to cut this off and propagate this super long vine and try to save this. Yeah, look, there's so many yellow leaves, so that means I cannot wait any longer. Yeah, further down there are more yellow leaves. Okay, this is definitely a very prolific plant. I grew out from 3 single cuttings that was given to me, and yeah, they grow like weeds. So yeah, I can't wait any longer. Let me move this out. It's very entangled with other plants, so I got to be really careful. Okay, just to give you an idea how long this vine is, I've placed it on top of the fridge and it goes all the way down to the floor. So yeah, as you can see, there are already a few leaves that are yellowing. So it's an indication I got to do something fast. If not, I'm going to lose this whole vine. Subsidiary vine that sprouted out here, and this branch is really nice, looking really healthy. So I can actually cut this off too. Okay, let me start off by removing all the yellow leaves, which are definitely not going to survive the propagation. Oh, this is stubborn. And look at this, totally gone. Okay, I've sterilized my scissors and I'm going to just snip off this rotten part. I think I can get many cuttings out of this long vine, so here goes. Okay, this is the subsidiary vine that it gave out. So I'm just going to cut here and here. Notice there's some rot happening here as well. So I'm going to cut this off. So these are all the cuttings that I got from that single long vine. I think there are about 20 cuttings, those cuttings with leaf. And I got some stem cuttings as well. So this will become the wet sticks. And look at this particular one with a super long area root all the way here. Most of them have developed some adventitious roots, so they are ready to go. This is the original pot with the new growth. Looking really nice, and it needs to be watered. In fact, it's really dry. I made a mistake. I should have watered this before I propagate them, because it'll be good for them to be well hydrated and well fed before I cut them up. But it's too late. Anyway, this is the branch, the vine that grew out from the main vine. And this is almost like a plant by itself with all its area roots. So yeah, this is definitely ready to go. Oh yeah, this cutting has a very long aerial root as well. Look at this. Alright, so the cuttings are potted up in water. I couldn't find any containers, so these are some recycled plastic containers that I have. Luckily, I managed to squeeze all of them into these two small ones and this metal container, which is not ideal because it's way too big. Only a little bit of water just to cover the aerial roots. I'm going to find another container for this. So yeah, this is the original plant. I'm going to give you a water later, and these are some of the stem cuttings that I've placed in a recycled plastic container of sphagnum moss. It is moist but not sogging wet. So yeah, there is a cover as well, so I'm just going to cover this up. So thank you for watching this video. I'll update you guys again in 1 or 2 months time. When they are rooted, I will pot them up and we'll have many pots of Rhaphi. So thank you for watching this episode. If you like contents like that, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Take care and remember to show your plants some love.